everybody, welcome back. For today's episode, we're going to be taking it back to the beginner's phase level workouts. This is going to be episode number 5. Today we have an upper body circuit. All right, guys, so it's going to be structured and formatted the same exact way we've been doing it previously. We're going to be doing 1-minute stations all the way down. Once we finish all 5 of our stations for today, take a 2-3 minute break, get some water real quick, come back, and then we'll finish up with a second and final round. Only doing 2 since this is beginner's phase, all right? So for our first station today, we're going to be doing some tricep dips, all right? So we're just going to need somewhere where we can go ahead and put our hands behind our back and dip, all right? What we're going to be doing, hands are going to be coming back right here. We're going to want to make sure we're focusing on keeping our elbows tucked in nice and tight to keep that tension on our triceps. So elbows tucked in nice and tight right here. Kick those legs out. And from this position, we're going to let our body drop all the way down. And straight back up. Try to keep your back and body close to whatever object you have your hands on. Straight down, putting all that tension onto your triceps. And if you want to modify it too, you can always put up your feet right here. Take off some tension. Same exact thing. All right? That's going to be our first one. On to number 2. And for our second exercise for today, we're going to be doing some plank crawl-ups. All right, guys? So all you're going to be needing is an object or some type of platform where you can go ahead and crawl up onto. All right, so what we're going to be doing, starting off here in a plank position. And always remember too, if you need to modify it, you can go ahead and go on your knees. But if not, doing a regular plank. So once we hear that clock, 3, 2, and 1, crawling up onto whatever object you're using, and crawling back down. Crawling up, and crawling back down. Over and over throughout that minute. On to number 3. And for our third station for today, we're going to be doing some 3-count push-ups. All right, guys? So you guys are going to start it off coming down into push-up position. And again, always remember, if you need to modify it, you can always go on your knees. If not, perfect. All right, so what we're going to be doing, you can either do it in a tricep-style form push-up with your elbows tucked in, or a wide grip, up to you, or if you want to mix it up, whatever you want. So first thing we're going to do, in push-up position from right here. Once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, we're coming down. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and back up. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and back up. And that was the tricep style form. If you guys want to do a wide grip, open up nice and wide. Same exact thing. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Up. All right, guys, that's going to be number 3. Number 4, we're going to be doing a 2-step bear crawl. All right, guys, so what we're going to be doing, starting off right here on the ground. Once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, we're going to take 2 steps forward, 1 and 2. You can throw in an optional push-up if you like. If not, that's fine. Same exact thing on the way back. 1 and 2. Same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Back and forth, back and forth. All right, guys, on to the final station. And for our 5th and final station today, we're going to be doing some T-PUSHUPS. All right, guys, so what we're going to be doing, starting off right here on the ground. Again, if you'd like to start it with a wide grip, more focus on your chest, or elbows in, tucked in, tricep style, up to you. All right, guys, so what we're doing, once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, coming all the way down to the bottom, opening up and making a T. Push up, open up, making a T. Push up, open it up, making a T. All right, guys, and that's going to be our 5th. And that wraps it up for today's workout. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys give this one a shot. Let me know what you think. Comments, questions, concerns, always appreciated. I have a bunch of new material coming up on the way, so continue to keep tapping in with your boy. And until next video, make sure you guys are staying positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.